Hello students, welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Mr. Stanley Ombogo. Dear students, this is another interesting session that we have. And in this session, I'd like us to look at an area under writing, and that is how to write inventories. Before maybe we get to know what an inventory is, dear students, have you ever been to any place where people, do business and heard of the word inventory? If you have, then an inventory refers to the goods, the materials, or merchandise that are sold by a business that is to earn a profit. An inventory is a detailed document of all the items in a place, such as an office, a classroom, a church, a shop, a clinic, uh, and so on. So this document, dear students, gives details of the quantity and condition of whatever is available in a place. So when we talk about the quantity, it means that it indicates the amount of goods or items that are available in a place. So if we are talking about a bookshop, for example, then an inventory that we can talk about in a bookshop is that containing or giving details about the number of books left, in the shelves. So apart from that, we can also talk about just other common businesses. Like in a shop, you need to get the details of the quantity of the items that you sell. So that is still an inventory. So an inventory contains different columns. And talking about these columns, we have got the column that show or indicate the dates when the record was entered. So assuming that there were books that were that were received on maybe the 30th of May 2024, then if I am to use that record as a reference material in the future, then I will have to go back to the date when I recorded, that is, or when I made entry of the item, so as to see those that are left and maybe those that I've been able to sell and so on. So apart from that column, we also have a column that show a date of delivery of items. That is when the items were delivered. Then there is also a column that shows or indicates the quantity of the item or amount of the item. Then we also have a column that shows or indicates the description of a particular item. So whether books, whether toiletries, so that is what we have under the description. Then another column that we have in an inventory is a column that indicates the date of issue. That is when the item was, issued. Then there is also a column that shows the signature of the person being issued with the item. So again, another good example here is, let's talk about a library. So in a library, when you are given a book, when you borrow a book from the library, the librarian will have to, record the, date, and again, the signature of the borrower will also have to be taken, so that um, it helps them to trace or track the borrowers. So apart from that, we also have a column that shows items remaining after issue. So if you had, let's say, 10 shares in a store and you have issued, 6 over the past 1 week, then the remaining number of shares will have to be indicated in the inventory. So it is an inventory is an important document in an organization because it contains information on all items that an institution, has, and therefore helps to keep records of the stock or stock taking. So it is important to always keep record and to keep track of your stock, that is the things that you have, because failure to do so, you might end up losing some, or maybe somebody can just come for an item and you won't be able to remember who and when. So this is an example of an inventory that we have. So it has got, the name of the institution followed by the title. The title is just inventory. So we have Easy Limo School inventory. So there are various columns there. So we have the column indicating the date of record. We have another column indicating delivery date. There is another column indicating the quantity or the amount. Then we also have a column indicating the description of the item. Then there is a column indicating the date of issue. There is a column for the signature, and we have a column for the balance, that is the remaining items. So in the first row, we have that is 5th of that is February, the year 2024. So delivery date is there, 4th February 2024. The quantity we have 60. So the description of the items, we have Macmillan, book 4 English texts. There is there the date of issue, the signature, then the balance. On another row, we have the date there. There is also, we have the date of record. There is also the delivery date. We have the quantity. There is the description, reams or foolscaps. We have the date of issue. Then again, the column for the signature and the balance. So this is an example of an inventory. So this is how an inventory should look like. So before we conclude, let us look at the importance of an inventory. So here are some of the importance of keeping an inventory. The first one is that an inventory helps to keep check on what is there in terms of stock. An inventory also helps to keep check on what needs to be replaced or repaired. Then another importance of an inventory is that it can be used to ease the job management. Then another importance, that is the last one, another importance of using or keeping an inventory is to give information on items that need constant replacement. So remember, in a business, there are moving goods and goods that in most cases are stuck. So it is important to keep or to have information on the goods that need constant replacement. So dear students, that brings us to the end of the session. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. And remember to always keep it easy, Limo. Until next time, bye.